Well, Craig, I feel like there's so much to discuss and dissect after that game this evening. But first of all, what did you make of your players out there tonight?
Very good. Yeah, I thought we were outstanding. The intensity they were able to play at, setting the triggers, pressing. Of course, one or two mistakes during that period, but I was understandable, completely prepared for it. But overall, I thought it was a real outstanding performance.
There was certainly a fearlessness about them as well, seeing them being so brave on the ball. How pleasing was that for you, considering you've asked them to take on so much during these past few days?
Yeah, it's in such a short space of time. I keep saying that and I keep getting it wrong. It's a lot, and I'm fully aware of that because I feel it myself. But do you know when you have good players and you see how capable they are, let them be good players. Now, I know like we talk about bravery, but I don't see that. Just take responsibility. If the ball, like you would play in any area, if I give you this option in any training pitch with this size of area and outnumbering them, you'll play. So don't fall into the trap of the emotions of everything going on or fans like being on the edge. No, just stay calm. This is how we play and this is how we're able to get our attacks. Now, recognising once they go full press, then being able to recognise where we miss it out and go over, that's the part of we can improve on. But I said to the players then, like, I honestly believe this is the worst we'll be. This is the worst we'll be at. We're just going to improve from now on.
And the only thing missing, Craig, was a goal.
I know. We had some very good chances to score, but I can take that. That's not a problem. And it was one or two areas I thought we could have scored if a winger was on the back post at a certain time. But they're bits of the game that have come. So I'm over the moon with that. That's fine.
It's a quick turnaround now to Monday, Craig. How do you won't want to use excuses in terms of tiredness or anything, but what do these next couple of days now to make sure that your players recover and are able to go again on Monday?
Get on with it. Start recovering now. It starts now. So preparation, we've already done the preparation for Montenegro. Of course, we'll have a look back at their game this evening. But we're in quite a good place, I feel, tactically for them. We've been able to prepare for a certain period over that, so it's no real surprise unless they do something completely different tonight. But recover. We'll maybe move one or two things around as well. We always look to adapt, no matter what the opposition is. Whether it's pressing, we'll look to adapt. Whether it's in possession, we'll look to adapt. So we adapt to the opposition, and then just recover and be ready for it.
You told me yesterday that you just wanted your players to go out and enjoy tonight. They definitely did. The fans definitely did. How excited has this made you for what's to come, Craig?
I'm really excited. But my interview before that, you could tell I was quite excited of what I've seen in training. I was looking forward to seeing how it presented itself onto the pitch, because it's not always the case. And I definitely was prepared for it not being the case. But I just feel, with the group of players we have, if you look at, people were very quick to comment on Turkey's success and the talent Turkey have, which is clear. But I just felt with the way we play, if you watch Turkey, they had to really adapt after 30, 40 minutes because there was no joy for them. They had to change their press. Then they ended up going man v man, which is great for us. That's exactly what we want, because we want to be able to hurt you then going in behind. So a lot of really good performances. Very happy.
Diolch, Craig.
Okay, diolch.